Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you recover Messenger account without Facebook. So to recover a Messenger account without a Facebook, you need to follow these steps. So first of all, make sure that you're connected to an internet service. Now then, what you want to do is, the only thing you could do is by tapping on forgot password. So this is the only way you can recover your account. So click on forgot password. And it's going to ask you to enter in the contact information such as your mobile number or your email address. So make sure to click on this and enable that as well. Now then, here I have these sections. So I'm going to go ahead and click on get linked to the following email address. So if you're sure about it, click on the continue button. It's going to send you a verification code to the registered email, which you want to make sure to enter in. So I am going to receive this section. Then you could go ahead and enter in the email address that you'll be receiving, and once you've done entering the code, you will then be able to successfully create a password which is going to help you out to recover your Facebook or Messenger application without a Facebook. So that is how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.